Hello, and we're back. Disclaimer, pre-warning. I'm here till I'm not. Uh, yeah, I might get pulled out soon. But let's do what we can now. I don't want to leave it too late because that's historically not been the best for me. So, um, I think we may have done this yesterday, but I've jumped back into it. Um, with I plus plus or I plus one for the iterator. Okay, concatenation, cool. Addition operator to concatenate the row value to the result value. So we're gonna concatenate result is then equal to result plus row for each row. Okay. Now let's think about what's really going on here, because I did do this yesterday, but I know the next step was proving a bit difficult. So we've got a count from 0 to 8, and for each round where I is 0, I is less than the count, I is equal to I plus 1. Yeah?
Can we please have a plaster of this?
I'm coming to see. Life. You guys saw it? So life. Anyway, so for each iteration round, we are going and we are pushing. So when I comes through here and I is 0, I is less than the count. So we're going to do something, and then we're going to say we're going to add 1. So we are then pushing it into row. So 0, 1, 2, 3, effectively this, for each go round. Now here, what we're saying is for each row of the rows, we're adding it to the result. So our result string is this. And so for the first row, as it were, for the first object, so 0, which is the first row of rows, we're saying result is equal to result plus row, which is cool. The next time we go around, we're saying result is equal to result plus row, which will now be 0, 1. So this is the output from this, effectively. We've gone through it 8 times, and each time we've added it to result. Okay, cool. All of your numbers are appearing on the same line. This is not for creating the pyramid, which is true. You'll need to add a new line to each row. However, pressing the return key is not possible. Instead, you need to use the special escape sequence, which is this, which is denoted as a new line when the string is logged. Cool. Use a second addition operator to concatenate the new line between the existing result value and the added row value. So when we come through here the first time, so we know this wasn't working. What we've got is effectively this, right? Result is equal to result plus row, and that gives us this, all over the same one. But we want to say on the first go, result is equal to result plus row. So we want to add the new line in here because, yeah, just because I don't think they'll be happy with it. So, okay, so there you go. So the first time it's come around and it said the result, which was an empty string, is equal to result plus 0. Right, so got a new line, so that's why I guess it starts there. Got result plus a new line 0. So our first result is now 0. We go in and say, okay, the result is now equal to result plus row, which was this one. So we say result 0 plus new line for 1. So that's cool. Result is equal to 1 plus new line for 2. This should work. Why doesn't it? It has got a semicolon. Oh, that can't be it. That cannot be it. Yeah, that wasn't it. That's good. That single space between row and the semicolon. Okay, cool. Bring two numbers won't result in a visually appearing pyramid. That's true. Now that you're outputting the formatted content of your rows array, it's time to update your original loop. So pushing I, push the value of your character variable. Okay. Let me push the value of your character. One sec. Little one's having a fashion show. Value of your character variable. It can't just mean that. We're going to multiply that, aren't we? I'm going to repeat it. We're going to find a way to multiply it. Okay. Series, yeah. I, row. Repeat. Okay. One sec. Cool. Sorry about that. Repeat I times. We'll do I plus 1. Not entirely sure. Well, you kind of got it there. Yeah. So I plus 1. Told you. Alright. My daughter's gonna come disturb me again. So I'm gonna hold it here. I also know it's gonna get a bit difficult. Not difficult, a bit more intense. So we've built like effectively a right angle triangle here. I imagine to push it into a pyramid, we're gonna have to do something a little bit more intelligent. Maybe pushing this by a certain number of spaces. I'm sure that's what this next function is going to be about, pad row. But anyway, till next time, keep turning up. Peace.